In a galaxy not so far away, a giant star at the end of its life begins to collapse. 2.2 million years ago, it exploded into a supernova, releasing vast amounts of energy. This explosion sent high-energy cosmic rays on a journey through the cosmos. Traveling at nearly the speed of light, they covered the 150 light-year distance to Earth. At this time, Earth was in the Galasian epoch. The planet's climate was changing, and early human ancestors roamed the savannas of Africa. Cosmic rays from the supernova interacted with Earth's atmosphere, potentially contributing to an increase in ionization and affecting cloud formation. Evidence of the supernova was found millions of years later, as scientists uncovered traces of iron-60 isotopes in deep-sea sediments. This rare element is a telltale sign of a supernova. This supernova may have contributed to a cooler climate, influencing both Earth's ecosystems and the evolutionary path of early hominins. Some theories even suggest it could have played a role in a mass extinction. The supernova explosion left its mark not only on Earth but across the galaxy. While it occurred millions of years ago, its impact remains in the cosmos and in our understanding of stellar death and cosmic events. In the infinite darkness of the universe, there lies a small yet powerful blue planet, Earth. Life has flourished here for hundreds of millions of years. Through the Holocene, Pleistocene, and Pliocene epochs, the Earth transformed, life evolved, and humanity emerged. These epochs planted the roots of life, bringing forth great changes and transformations on Earth. The universe sparked the first flames of life, and the sun has kept this flame alive. Earth and the solar system travel within the Orion arm of the Milky Way. Moving at a speed of 514,000 miles per hour, the sun sustains life across its planets. As we orbit through the galaxy's immense spirals, this grand cosmic journey completes a single loop approximately every 225 million years. With each turn, we add another ring to the dance of stardust and cosmic balance. Two formidable defense lines encircle our solar system, the Oort Cloud and the Kuiper Belt. The Oort Cloud forms a shield with billions of icy objects, serving as a barrier against cosmic threats from afar. The Kuiper Belt, located closer, adds another layer of protection around the solar system, stabilizing the inner planets. In addition to these galactic shields, Earth itself possesses powerful defenses. The magnetosphere forms a barrier against high-energy particles from the sun and other stars, while the atmosphere filters harmful radiation and cosmic particles, keeping them at bay. Over the past 5 million years, and for the next 5 million, we are safe from significant galactic collisions. The solar system follows a secure orbit, away from major interstellar threats, maintained by the vast distances and cosmic harmony within our galaxy. These protective layers deflect countless dangers, diverting smaller meteors and preventing them from reaching Earth. However, only forces of immense mass, such as a massive celestial body or universal phenomena like neutrinos, gravity, or light itself, could overcome these shields. With no major celestial body on the horizon, what then holds the key to changes here on Earth? The universe, a boundless expanse holding everything, from matter to life itself. How does such an enormous structure work? How does cosmic dust transform into life? Here, on a small yet powerful planet called Earth, these answers lie waiting. Our Earth possesses a powerful shield, the atmosphere, that protects us from the dangers of the galaxy. This barrier stops cosmic rays, meteorites, and other harmful forces, keeping us safe. But the atmosphere is more than just a shield. It's a selective gate, allowing life-sustaining elements inside. The universe isn't just filled with threats. It also carries the seeds of life. Comets, ancient travelers of the galaxy, carry the raw materials for life within them. Perhaps these ancient voyagers delivered the first building blocks of life to Earth. The Earth's atmosphere acts not only as a shield, but as a gateway to life. Like a cell membrane, it blocks the harmful while selectively letting in elements essential for life, synthesizing them to enrich Earth. Early on, cosmic particles interacting with atmospheric reactions set the stage for life. Like electrical currents within a cell, lightning sparks brought the first chemical reactions to life, allowing organic molecules to combine with the energy needed to jumpstart life. If every cell is part of a whole, where do we as humans fit in this grand structure? Are we just creatures on the surface of a planet, or are we part of a greater purpose? On this small planet, human life has uniquely endured. Perhaps like comets, we too are carriers, meant to protect, to understand, and to spread the spark of life across time. As these cosmic forces shape our lives, might the universe have given us a role? In this journey that we're only beginning to understand, could the key to existence lie within us? The universe is not just a silent witness to Earth's history. It is an active participant, weaving cosmic threads into the tapestry of life. For Homo sapiens, the stars above and the radiation they emit may have played a crucial role in shaping our very DNA, our minds, and our destiny. Earth's journey through space is marked by cycles, Milankovitch cycles, that bring glacial ages and temperate periods. These climate shifts created evolutionary crucibles, forcing Homo sapiens to innovate, adapt, and survive. Yet beyond the ice and fire, the stars exert their influence, silently raining cosmic rays upon Earth. Cosmic rays, traveling light years across the void, bombard Earth incessantly. These high-energy particles interact with our DNA, causing mutations. While many mutations fade into obscurity, a few lead to advantages, adaptations that help species thrive. Could these rays have accelerated the evolution of Homo sapiens, crafting the neural pathways of intelligence? Supernovae, cosmic fireworks, are more than spectacles. They send waves of radiation that ripple through space and time, reaching Earth. These cosmic events, though rare, might have contributed to the genetic variation necessary for breakthroughs in Homo sapiens' cognitive abilities, fostering creativity and problem-solving. Earth's magnetic shield, the Van Allen belts, protects us from harmful cosmic radiation. Yet anomalies like the South Atlantic anomaly allow higher radiation levels to penetrate the surface. These hotspots may act as evolutionary testing grounds, challenging human biology to adapt and evolve further. Earth is not static. It wobbles, tilts, and shifts. The precession of its axis and the gravitational pull of the galaxy creates subtle but impactful environmental changes. These cosmic forces may have synchronized with earthly processes, amplifying the pressures that drove Homo sapiens to innovate and adapt. Through the interplay of cosmic radiation, climate cycles, and earthly challenges, Homo sapiens emerged, not as a mere product of biology, but as a species shaped by the universe itself. Our intelligence, creativity, and resilience may be echoes of these cosmic influences. As we gaze at the stars, we must remember that they are not just distant lights, but integral parts of our story. The cosmos is within us, influencing our past and shaping our future. What other secrets might the universe hold about our place in its grand design?
In the glow of a flickering fireplace, two scientists debate the universe's mysteries.
Their words, veiled in metaphors, drift through the quiet library where a few onlookers listen in silence. Here, amidst books and embers, the cosmos reveals itself, not through answers, but the questions that endure.
The universe's expansion tells a story, but it's a story whose ending we cannot yet see. Perhaps this expansion is a prelude, a preparation for what comes next. The so-called Big Crunch might not be the end of a cycle, but the very seed of a higher singularity.
The idea of the universe contracting upon itself. But even such a reversal doesn't escape the loop. Expansion and collapse. They're like the inhale and exhale of a cosmic breath. It ends, yes, but only to begin again. Can humanity truly alter this rhythm?
To think humanity cannot change it is to underestimate our place in the cosmos. Look at Moore's law, the exponential growth of technology. In just a few centuries, we could harness Dyson spheres and ascend to a Kardashev Type II civilization.
Moore's law reminds me of entropy. The graph rises sharply at first, but every exponential curve inevitably faces its limits. The second law of thermodynamics is clear. Chaos always increases. Your technological singularity is just a more intricate reflection of this chaos.
Entropy is not a limitation. It's raw material. Chaos can be shaped into order. The singularity isn't just technological progress. It's the process of using chaos to uncover the deeper patterns of the universe. Humanity is a spark within this vast disorder, a conscious creator.
A spark? Perhaps. But even sparks are fleeting. Tachyons come to mind, those particles that defy our understanding of causality. They're fast, transient, and exist beyond reach. What if humanity too is like a tachyon, an ephemeral anomaly in the grand flow of time?
Tachyons, tau neutrinos, particles that challenge the boundaries of what we perceive as matter. What if these particles are guideposts, indicators of a reality beyond the material? The singularity may be our doorway to that realm, where humanity transcends matter and energy itself.
And what happens when humanity crosses that threshold? Does it continue to exist, or does it dissolve? Consider a Kardashev Type III civilization, one capable of harnessing an entire galaxy's energy. If such civilizations existed, why don't we see their traces? Perhaps it's because existence itself seeks balance, a return to equilibrium.
Or perhaps we see no traces because they've transcended material existence altogether. Fermi's paradox could have an answer. These civilizations might leave the physical plane, evolving into pure energy or consciousness. Humanity could follow this path.
But if humanity reaches that point, can it still be called humanity? Consciousness itself might be an illusion, a fleeting ripple in the infinite ocean of existence. As we try to understand infinity, are we not projecting ourselves onto it, assuming we exist beyond the cycle?
Perhaps the answer lies within the illusion itself. The universe is in a constant state of reshaping. Humanity, by harnessing technology, could become part of that process. Even if it's an illusion, our role in this expansion and reshaping remains significant.
And what if the universe is humanity's mirror, not the other way around? If humanity exists within a loop, it might observe the cycle, but it cannot alter it.
Observing the loop is part of altering it. Perhaps humanity is the catalyst, a way for the universe to see itself, to evolve. If we change, the universe changes.
Or maybe the universe changes us, reshaping its spark into ash to begin again.
As the conversation fades into silence, no minds are swayed, yet both leave enriched by the universe's endless mysteries. The fire dwindles to embers, casting soft shadows across the room. One by one, the onlookers depart, each carrying a piece of the wonder, lost in their own quiet reflections.
In the vast web of life, every loss sends ripples through existence. A final cry, a call of anguish, echoes into the cosmos. In the boundless expanse of the universe, a force awakens to answer a cry. Neither bound by time nor space, it carries the essence of creation. In times of turmoil, guidance comes to those who seek the stars. The healer, a beacon for her people, prepares to deliver a truth that transcends worlds. The cosmos speaks not with words, but through the language of vibrations and particles. A message, ancient and profound, descends to the healer. Ilara, preserve life, protect the fragile balance. Every being, every breath, is woven into the fabric of existence. The vision is not a warning, but a call to action. To safeguard life is to safeguard the universe itself. Ilara, we are the keepers of this world. We must answer the stars' call. The universe whispers to those who listen. A bridge between realms forms, uniting the cosmic and the earthly. One cry reached the cosmos. One message returned, and in the unity of life, the pulse of the universe beats on. Our journey begins 70,000 years ago, but the story unfolds today. Astrophysicists have turned their telescopes toward the depths of space, tracing the path of a star that once visited our solar system, Scholz's star. Using data from the Gaia satellite, scientists meticulously reconstruct the ancient trajectory of Scholz's star. Each simulation reveals how this celestial traveler interacted with our solar system and left its subtle fingerprints across the cosmos. Astrophysicists debate the gravitational ripples caused by Scholz's star. The slight shifts in celestial bodies hint at the star's approach and its journey through our cosmic neighborhood. Scholz's star stirred the Oort Cloud, a distant halo of icy objects. Its gravitational pull sent comets spiraling inward, setting a chain reaction that would reach the inner solar system. As comets breached the atmosphere, they painted fiery trails across the sky. These events may have sparked climatic shifts, leaving lasting marks on Earth's delicate balance. 70,000 years ago, our ancestors gazed at the heavens. Did they see the celestial visitor? Did the streaks of fire across the night sky inspire myths or warnings for generations to come? The traces of Scholz's star are not only written in the heavens. Scientists today comb through Earth's layers, searching for evidence of impacts, atmospheric shifts, and other signs of cosmic disturbance. The star's passage altered more than the distant Oort Cloud. Its influence may have nudged celestial bodies within the solar system, creating subtle changes that ripple through time. Today, Scholz's star serves as a cosmic lesson, helping us prepare for similar events in the future. By understanding its impact, we unravel the delicate interplay between celestial visitors and our solar system. Scholz's star visited and moved on, but its story lingers. In the dance of stars, each one carries a tale, reminding us of our place in the ever-unfolding cosmos. When a hyperbolic celestial body breaches Earth's atmosphere, it manifests as a blazing fireball in the sky. The intense friction ionizes atmospheric molecules, creating a radiant display of heat and light. Upon impact or atmospheric disintegration, These bodies release colossal energy. Dust and aerosols are propelled into the stratosphere, forming a veil that temporarily dims the sun's light and alters atmospheric composition. The resulting dust clouds act as a barrier to sunlight, triggering abrupt cooling events. This climatic disruption impacts ecosystems and challenges early human societies, forcing them to innovate or migrate in search of survival. The ripple effects of such events cascade across the globe, from unseasonal rain in arid lands to extended winters in temperate zones. Earth's climatic systems reel from these sudden perturbations. Even a near miss by a celestial body can disturb Earth's magnetic field, causing global auroras. Gravitational influences may also slightly shift tectonic plates, adding to the planet's dynamic stress. To those who gazed at the sky 70,000 years ago, these events were profound and mysterious. Were they seen as divine warnings or celestial celebrations? The truth is lost to time, but their stories endure in our shared imagination. Large celestial bodies can influence Earth's orbit, even if subtly. Over thousands of years, these changes compound, affecting the planet's axial tilt, orbit shape, and the long-term cycles of warming and cooling. The Earth itself holds a record of these encounters. Craters and cosmic debris tell tales of past impacts, while ice cores capture the atmospheric changes they wrought. These are the pages of Earth's celestial history. Today, we continue the quest to understand these cosmic visitors. With advanced tools and simulations, we map their trajectories, seeking to predict and prepare for their effects on our world. Scholz's star left its mark on Earth, a fleeting visitor in the grand narrative of time. As we gaze at the stars, we remember that each one holds a story, not only of the cosmos, but of our place within it. Space, though seemingly silent, harbors forces that shape our planet. Solar storms, supernova explosions, and the paths of comets influence Earth's atmosphere, magnetic field, and even its climate. Let's explore the cosmic forces shaping our world. The Sun, with its 11-year magnetic cycle, drives atmospheric changes on Earth. Solar flares and coronal mass ejections, CMEs, bombard Earth's magnetic field, creating spectacular auroras, but also disrupting satellites and power grids. Cosmic rays create ionization in the upper atmosphere, aiding cloud formation. This process can trigger sudden rainfall and cold spells, showing how cosmic forces extend to Earth's weather. Supernovae, despite their distance, influence Earth's upper atmosphere. The 2004 V838 Monoceros explosion disrupted the climate, correlating with intense snowfall and sudden temperature changes worldwide. Comets, with their icy tails, carry dust that alters Earth's atmosphere. These particles catalyze cloud formation, resulting in unpredictable weather phenomena like snowstorms and heavy rains. Solar storms can disturb Earth's magnetic field, triggering seismic activity along fault lines. Data from SOHO shows a clear connection between magnetic fluctuations and tectonic movements. Galactic dust, carried by asteroids and comets, enriches Earth's atmosphere. This cosmic material contributes to cloud formation and impacts global weather patterns. Stellar explosions weaken Earth's magnetic field, creating atmospheric instabilities. This chain reaction affects everything from regional climates to geological movements. Understanding the cosmos is not just a scientific endeavor, it's vital for our survival. From ancient stargazers to modern astronomers, the quest to decode this connection continues. The universe tells a story of interconnectedness. Each explosion, comet, and solar flare reminds us that Earth is part of a greater cosmic symphony. History has been erased as much as it has been written, and forgotten as much as it has been told. Countless civilizations have risen and fallen, leaving behind only stones. But how convincing does conventional history seem to you? Do the Anunnaki or Atlantis sound credible? Or is everything more complex than we imagine? What if in the depths of the unknown, traces of a lost civilization remain hidden? In this documentary, we explore clues pointing to the existence of a lost civilization. What do geology, mythology, archaeology, and history tell us? 500,000 years have passed since the emergence of Homo sapiens. What great secrets are buried in the darkness of those years? Official history only tells the story of the last few thousand years. But humanity is much older. The emergence of Homo sapiens dates back approximately 400,000 years. At the same time, our relatives like Neanderthals and Homo heidelbergensis inhabited different parts of the world. Were they primitive, or did they have a more sophisticated social structure than we assume? Many archaeological phenomena have been discovered worldwide, yet their builders remain unknown. According to recent findings, ancient human communities were far more sophisticated than previously believed. Even the earliest hominins constructed structures, controlled fire, and lived in large groups. But what if this knowledge advanced even further and gave rise to an unknown civilization? The world is not static. Continents shift, seas rise, and land masses transform. 20,000 years ago, the Earth looked very different. Deserts were lush, glaciers extended toward the equator, and much of the Mediterranean and Aegean seas were land. There were no islands between Greece and Anatolia. Everything was connected. Even the Sicily Channel between Morocco and Italy was almost entirely dry. As the Ice Age ended, sea levels rose, land connections disappeared, and coastal cities were submerged. Today, meters of mud and sediment cover the ocean floor. Could ancient settlements lie hidden beneath these layers? Excavations like Göbekli Tepe have revealed massive structures buried beneath the earth. But what if there are entire cities beneath the sea, yet to be discovered? One way to understand human history is by examining mythology. Could ancient myths be echoes of real events? Atlantis, Mu, Lemuria. Could these similar stories from different continents be memories of lost civilizations? Many mythologies speak of a great flood and the destruction that followed. The Epic of Gilgamesh, Noah's flood, Hindu legends. All describe a time when the sea swallowed the land. Could these shared narratives hold clues about an advanced civilization and the catastrophe that erased it? Technology is not exclusive to modern humans. Ancient engineering still holds mysteries that remain unexplained. All over the world, there are structures with advanced stonework. The Egyptian pyramids, the Sacsayhuaman stones in Peru, the Baalbek ruins in Lebanon. They all showcase engineering feats that are difficult to explain, even with today's technology. How were these structures built? Was it mere coincidence that the same techniques were used across different continents, or evidence of shared ancient knowledge? History is not only about building, it is also about destruction. During the Holocene, great wars and invasions wiped out humanity's accumulated knowledge. Rome destroyed Carthage. The Mongols erased entire cities from maps. The Spanish and Europeans decimated the indigenous cultures of the Americas. The Crusades burned centers of knowledge. But what if similar destructions happened in even earlier times? Could the traces of lost civilizations have been completely erased by war and disaster? Many ancient engineering marvels were never rebuilt. Once knowledge is lost, it is not always possible to recover. History may be older than we think, and the origins of civilization may run deeper than we imagine. Could the waters of the Mediterranean conceal the remnants of an unknown civilization? In the coming years, new discoveries may provide answers to these questions. If such a civilization truly existed, its discovery would rewrite human history. And perhaps the past tells a much greater story than we ever imagined.
Humanity is an inseparable part of nature and the universe. The quest for meaning and the feeling of belonging are the cornerstones of existence. Nature speaks to us at every moment. We only need to listen. Learn to flow within the cycles of nature. Feel the song of the wind, the flow of the water, the scent of the earth. Nature is the key to understanding your existence. When you harmonize with its movements, your connection with the cosmos strengthens. Each season displays different facets of life. Autumn teaches letting go, winter, introspection, spring, rebirth, and summer symbolizes abundance. Accepting the cycles is the foundation of integration with the cosmos. Your body is the earthly reflection of your soul. Take good care of it, attend to its needs. A healthy and balanced body allows you to feel the universe's energy more strongly. Art is one of the ways humans communicate with the universe. Singing, dancing, keeping rhythm helps you harmonize with the vibrations of the cosmos. Your creativity is the expression of your existence. Life is a continuous learning process. Mistakes are important parts of your development. Instead of rejecting them, learn from them, grow, and embrace change. Nothing in the universe is random. Every thought that blossoms in your mind shapes your future. By thinking positively and consciously, guide your life deliberately. The intentions you radiate are woven into the fabric of the universe. Every individual, every event that enters your life is a reflection. The relationship you establish with people, nature, and events is a mirror of your inner world. To change your outer world, you must first transform your inner world. Even if your mind is filled with doubt, your heart will show you the right path. Your inner voice is the echo of the universe. Listen to it, trust your intuition, and accept the guidance the cosmos offers you. The past and future are reflections. The only reality is the present moment. Free your mind from the burdens of the past and the anxieties of the future. Experience the essence of life by focusing on the present. Life consists of pieces of a great whole. Instead of seeing people, nature, and the universe separately, discover the connection between them. Everything is interconnected. Living in harmony with the flow of the cosmos unlocks the door to true peace. Harmonizing with the order of the cosmos allows a person to return to their essence and feel the knowledge of the universe. Those who embrace this teaching can deepen their journey of meaning by integrating with the rhythm of nature and the cosmos.